I am an investor in cryptocurrencies. I hold a number of different currencies and trade some currencies as well. But I'm also an Amazon entrepreneur, and I wonder when Amazon will allow us to use crypto to make payments for Amazon products, because when they do, holy cafoly, that's going to be massive for the crypto community. So in this video, I want to talk you through what will need to happen for that to happen, so that you can see it and watch it happen and unfold in real time, so you can position yourself for crypto success. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build and grow your own wealth, whether that's through e-commerce or through crypto, whatever it may be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, let's go. The reason that crypto is so awesome to trade is something called volatility. Okay, volatility is just the day-to-day price fluctuations within the marketplace. Okay, so volatility makes money when you trade. What you don't want is stability. You can't make money from stability. Okay, now that's crypto and investing. In business, what do you want in business? You want stability. The very thing you require in business is stability, the ability to accurately predict what's going to be happening in next month, next year, next 3 years. Stability is what you want in business. More importantly, what the market wants in business. The market wants to know what's going to happen. Okay? Now, those two things are diametrically opposed to one another. The volatility of crypto and the requirement for stability as within business. So my take is that for Amazon, which is a huge global publicly traded company, to ever start accepting crypto, first crypto will need to become very stable relative to the dollar, and very boring. So it must become terrible for trading, basically. So the volatility must go from the marketplace. When that happens, then it's plausible that a company like Amazon would then start to accept it. Because what the shareholders do not want to happen, which is what happened with Tesla, by the way, is for Amazon to start accepting a currency that the very next day is worth 15% less than what it was, because that's directly affecting the shareholders' money. Okay, so my take is it's possible, but first the crypto market or certain currencies that possibly get used will need to become very boring. They'll need to become really stable before a company like Amazon would ever think about using them. Okay, Tesla, this happened with Tesla. So Tesla was accepting for a little while Bitcoin to buy Teslas. Okay, very quickly Elon stopped that, because the shareholders for Tesla said, hey, how can we be accepting a currency that one day is worth, back then, what, 52,000, and the next day is worth 45,000? There's no stability to our earnings. And that's what killed that particular thing with Tesla. I think that a lot of companies have learnt from that, big companies, and now are very reticent to try, and they will only get back in the game once the volatility goes out of the market. And as soon as that happens, then crypto will stop becoming an investment for trading and become a currency as a form of exchange. That's my take on it. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 Australian e-commerce professionals who sell things on Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and our own, of course, websites as well. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do with sales of over $50 million, you may want to come along and check out www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au to find out more and join us. With that being said, I'll see you there next time.